Hello everyone. Today our group will talk about delayed type hypersensitivity or DTH. This is an important topic in immunology because it explains how our body defends against certain pathogens using T-cell mediated responses. Delayed type hypersensitivity is an immune reaction mainly mediated by Th1 cells and macrophages. The key point is that this reaction appears more than 24 hours after antigen exposure. So unlike immediate allergic reactions, DTH is slow and is driven by cells, not antibodies. The mechanism of DTH can be divided into two phases. First is the sensitization phase, and the second, the effector phase. In the sensitization phase, the body encounters an antigen for the first time. Antigen-presenting cells, or APCs, process the antigen and present it to the CD4 T cells, which then differentiate into Th1 cells. These Th1 cells become memory cells and remain in the tissue. During this phase, there are no symptoms yet. When the same antigen enters the body again, the memory Th1 cells are quickly activated. They release cytokines such as IFN-gamma and TNF-alpha or TNF-beta, which recruit and activate macrophages. Activated macrophages then cause inflammation and sometimes tissue damage. This reaction peaks around 48 to 72 hours after re-exposure. There are several important clinical examples of DTH. The major ones are the tuberculin skin test, contact dermatitis, and granuloma formation. Tuberculin skin test is used to check for past tuberculosis infection. If someone has been exposed to Mycobacterium tuberculosis before, they show a local DTH reaction after tuberculin is injected into the skin. Contact dermatitis occurs when small chemicals like nickel or some substances in plants or cosmetics bind to skin proteins and trigger a DTH reaction. This causes redness, swelling, and itching after 1 or 2 days. Granulomas form when macrophages cannot completely remove pathogens such as those in tuberculosis or chronic inflammation. The immune system walls off the pathogen by forming a granuloma. This is a protective but chronic type of DTH response. Without DTH, the immune system would struggle to eliminate intracellular pathogens, which can survive inside macrophages. Examples include tuberculosis and other chronic infections. Also, some vaccines that rely on cell-mediated immunity would be less effective. So even though DTH can cause inflammation, it is essential for host defense. To summarize, DTH is a delayed immune reaction mediated by Th1 cells, cytokines, and macrophages. It plays an important role in protecting us from intracellular pathogens. Thank you for listening.